Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's an exciting day, guys. As you know, my goal for Blink charging is $50 per share. We can see right now the stock is cruising over $50 per share. It's now up at 14%, guys. I'm excited and I want to let you guys know, if you have been following me since summer, I've been preaching since $3 per share that this company have a huge growth potential, guys. Right now I'm selling my shares at $50.25. The stock is trading just over $50.80. You can see the price is coming down. So my orders went through. Now, guys, if you're in the stock right now, I'm trying to create this video as quick as possible, right? Please sell, take the profit. It's Christmas, and wait for some kind of pullback on the stock. Now, again, guys, I want to make this very quick. I've bring you guys a long way. I've let you guys know that there's potential in this company. You can see back starting of the year. For those of you guys that get this in the $1 per share era, that's a blessing to you guys. But for anyone that has been following me since June, July, you can see the stock was trading in the low $2, and the first spike I saw when it goes up to like $4 and from 450 to 560, I start letting people know that, hey, there is potential. They start making new acquisition. They start signing agreements. We know there was a huge sign for growth in this company. Now we can see the prices came down to $49.20. So guys, I'm out at $50.20. Now if the price do retract back in the mid 40s or even the mid 30s, I'll consider to going back in terms of using some of that profit. So if you guys are following this channel, we can see since June, July, the stock from $2.55 at one point was $3. I've been recommending this stock. Now we can see it has came to fruition at $50 per share. Guys, it's an exciting news. Again, I could let you know right now, we can see close off yesterday just around 45, but we can see this morning a huge 16% spike, carried all the way over $50.80 at one point. So if you guys are watching this channel, guys, stay humble and then keep trading. There is ways to go for this stock. It's only the beginning. But for those of you that is in a short-term play, I remember I told you guys, I said, you know what, in 3 to 6 months, that's my goal for this stock. And it came through. So what I'm going to do now is start to diversify my portfolio a little bit for the new year. I've riding out a lot of EV stock this year. If we go back to most of my picks, guys, we can see with Plug Power, I let you guys in early as well. We can see that consistently over the 30s. And with NIO, I've been telling you guys from $1, from $2, from $3, from $5, from $10 until I just stop telling people. Because listen, when I bring this message out, it's because I'm putting my own dime into it as well. So it's not like I'm creating a video just to talk. I preach the principle, guys, and I walk the walk. You buy low, and you sell high. Now, again, guys, I don't use options with this play. I could have, right? Could really maximize your potential earning, and that's something as well, guys. If you're in a position that if you don't have a lot of cash around, if you don't have a high cash flow, definitely you could think about using a margin account. You can play around with that options. You have a way, not way, I wouldn't say a better advantage, but your return could be magnified to more in terms of you could afford to buy more shares, and then you could sell with a less capital into the investment. But for those of you guys that want to just do simple, you have your money, you're not really into any options, because keep in mind as well, guys, it's a bittersweet, right? It's just limit your loss to what you really want to invest in. But if you have the money, it's less stress. You purchase low, you sit patiently, you wait until it comes to what you want to sell, and then you sell, right? It's like a house, basically. You buy a house, right? You live in it for a few years, and price goes up, you sell. Or you buy a house, you rent it out, right? For a few years, and you sell it out. Or you just buy it and close it, and a year or two, if you can afford to, then you sell. This is the same mindset I do my stocks. I try to buy as low as possible, and then to sell at the price that I plan. Now, I could have hold out. As I said, I sold at 50.25, but I could have hold out. But that was my plan, right? I have it auto set up to when it goes to $50 to sell, right? And it my alerts pops up this morning when it crossed 49, and I saw it goes up to $50.85. So I just put a stop loss. So if it starts to ride back, it will sell at $50.25. Guys, if you're watching this channel, I appreciate the support that you have been given. If you're subscribed, I appreciate it as well. Much love. If you're not subscribed, guys, here's an opportunity that you may want to subscribe to the channel, because it's plays like this, guys. If I have a new video, you will be able to get a notification to let you know what's going on. But it's a great market. You can see I have a ton of alerts here. I've been writing this for the last 2 weeks, trying to create as much upside as possible. I've done a ton of trade while keeping my original position. And you can see, guys, if it does ride back, I have some alerts set up. So if it starts to go backwards, then it will notify me all the way, guys. This is what I use to make sure I could cash in, because once it comes over once it goes over my alerts, it alerts me that, hey, okay, this stock goes over this price, or hey, this stock dropped to this price. And then right away, if I'm trading in the day, then I don't have to keep on looking at the screen. My computer just make a noise, or my phone just vibrates, and then that will help me to complete this trade. So if you guys are watching this video, I don't want to make it too long, but as usual, I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Stay tuned, stay safe, and happy holidays to everyone.